I am back once again, like different beautiful romper styles and decoration combination adds small bows, buttons or crochet appliques to decorate the rompers styles dress. Use contrasting colors for the sleeves and the leg cuff and sleeve edges to add level interest. Different stitch pattern like shell or halter for added texture. So I hope you like it. Our video and my channel. Enjoy crafting your adorable crochet baby crochet baby rompers with the short and hook style rompers. This is just a basic example to give you an idea. Always follow a detailed pattern for scientific instruction and stitch counts. Enjoy your crochet project. So take care and bye bye. See you soon. I'm back. Guys, I am back.